Okay, so I just spent hours painting one of the coolest astronauts ever, Sunita Williams. But let's be honest, somewhere in between the tiny suit details and trying to get her expression right, I started questioning my life choices. Hi, my name is Tanya. Welcome to my channel. Step 1 sketch. Step 2 base colors. Step 3 panic. I started with the background first because space is dark and mysterious, just like my sleep schedule. So I was sitting there sipping my coffee when I thought, let's paint an astronaut today. And then boom, Sunita Williams popped into my mind. Because why not? She's legendary. It's crazy to think how people like her go beyond Earth, pushing limits and chasing dreams. If that's not inspiring, I don't know what it is. So did you know Sunita Williams has spent 9 months in space? Meanwhile, I can't even spend 10 minutes in my room without checking my phone. Painting an astronaut sounds cool, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. Until I realized her suit was most complicated details ever. NASA, can we get some minimalist designs, please? Okay, confession time. I underestimated this painting. One moment I'm like, easy, just paint an astronaut. Next moment, I'm drowning in tiny details. And of course, I had to get her expression right. You know, that I am a baddest woman in space look. Took me many tries, but we got there. Like this video if you think I should paint more inspiring people, and of course subscribe. After hours of work, we finally have it, the moment of truth. I am actually so happy with this, how it turned out. Sunita Williams.